Hey family, in this video we are going to learn about how to withdraw money from Landbank ATM machine. I created this simulation to understand complete process of withdrawal. First of all, go to your nearest ATM machine and you need to insert your card. You can insert your card from here. Wait for a few seconds. Now the interface will be look like this. Please enter your personal identification number, that means your PIN code number. You need to use this keyboard to enter your PIN code number. After that, they will ask you to please select an option. Many options are available: balance transfer, prepaid payments, withdraw, fast cash, and credit card. We just need to click on withdraw icon. Mostly ATM machine support touch screen, so you can touch on withdraw icon. If any ATM machine does not support touch screen, then you can use this buttons also. Now they will ask you to select your account type. You have savings account, checking account, and credit card. Mostly people have savings account, so I'm going to click here. Now they will ask you to enter your desired amount, how much money you want to withdraw from the ATM machine. You need to use this keypad. So after entering your money, you need to click on yes icon. If you want to cancel your transaction, then you can click on no, but right now I will recommend you to click on yes icon. Your transaction is being proceed. You need to wait for few seconds. Your transaction is completed successfully. Now you can remove your card from the machine. Just wait for few seconds and your money will come from the ATM.